If you're a business owner, you should have a Lenco account. It's just that simple. Lenco has been incredible to our business. They're very small business friendly. They easily respond to our requests when we have one. And more than anything, the features on the app is very good. One that I really like is how easy it is to create sub-accounts. As a business owner, sometimes there needs to create sub-accounts that you can assign to different team members. And the ease of creating sub-accounts on the Lenco app has been incredible for us. We easily make transfers, we can send receipts much quicker than other bank apps. So using Lenco has just been incredible for us from the bank app perspective and just working with the people that work at the companies. If you have a business in Nigeria, come give them a try. If you can hold me accountable if it doesn't go well, but I'm very confident that it will go well.
Lenco, equipping businesses to grow.